Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking jet skis again today, referencing my parents' 2003 Sea-Doo GTX, and it has a 951 DI or direct injection engine. We are focusing on the exhaust pipe and the circular weld point. We're going to show you the before and after of when it got welded. Basically, we have a leak and it needs to be fixed. Let's take a look. At this point, the upper exhaust pipe is removed from the jet ski and resting on our secondary workbench. Yes, just a wood table. However, comes in extremely handy when the primary workbench is busy and full of stuff. And the way I had the exhaust pipe positioned on the table is how it was positioned inside the jet ski and connected to the additional parts of the engine. This side, the exhaust manifold, this side, the lower exhaust pipe. And hey, if you're into baseball card collecting, basketball, football, etc., we just hung these awesome frames. And we will post that link down below in the comments and description. And got a couple of video games in there as well. And just picked up a Gem Mint 10 Auto 10 Ken Griffey Jr. rookie and more. As you can see, the exhaust pipe has been flipped upside down, and the larger hole of the exhaust pipe again connects to the lower exhaust pipe, and that portion connects to the upper exhaust manifold. I want to come inside and show you what the weld holes look like. And basically that little indent and hole, I can stick my finger in it, as you can see right there. That is to that fitting right there. And again, we've got several fittings. If I come up top, this fitting right here, the barb section or fitting that the larger hose connects to. However, to the weld point that has the hole and leak, and what I did was carefully break away the loose stuff. That one still looks good. Another quick reposition of the camera. Again, I have shifted the exhaust pipe around and we are looking at the plug that has burst. And as you can see, again, I just carefully broke away the loose stuff. And DIYers, that's a pretty big hole. And long story short, it needs to get fixed, because if we don't fix that, well, while we're running the engine and out having fun on the jet ski, water is spraying out of that hole at a pretty fast rate. And if not addressed, or in other words, getting this fixed and sealed, our jet ski hull is going to fill up with water. And DIYers, that's the last thing you want for your jet ski. However, again, I just carefully removed the loose portions or flakes and paint of that hole. And this is the exact condition it will be when I take it to the local marina and drop it off. And what they are going to do when they get the pipe in hand is they are going to clean the pipe. They are going to basically break additional portions of this plug away and paint, followed by cleaning it and sanding it. And after doing that, they will allow it to dry, followed by installing a plug and welding that plug in place and creating a long-lasting seal at this very plug. And DIYers, in a previous video we talked about, and we will have that video link scrolling above, we will also put it down below in the comments and description. We talk about the option of using JB Weld application to basically seal a hole in your exhaust pipe. And in that video, we give you our absolute honest opinion on whether or not to use JB Weld application to seal the plug portions of your exhaust pipe, or take it to a local marina, have them clean it, sand it, plug it, and weld it closed. So in the event that you are considering using JB Weld to seal the plug of your exhaust pipe, you might like that video. You might find it helpful. We show you the exact JB Weld that we would recommend or use if we use JB Weld to plug our hole. However, in our case, we are not going to use JB Weld on this exact exhaust pipe. We are going to take it to our local marina, and they have already quoted us $125 to, again, take possession of the pipe, clean it, sand away any loose portions of the aluminum and plug and paint, allow it to dry, followed by plugging it and welding it closed, creating what I call a sealed plug that is going to last many, many years. So again, here is the before condition of the exhaust pipe and plug and leak. And again, that's a big hole. It needs to be fixed and sealed. And I will come to a closer, more upper portion just so you can see it. And over to the other one. That one's pretty nice. No real signs of failure. And out to this fitting right here, no signs of failure on that point, which is nice. However, that one, really bad. Take a step back, and in the meantime, while they work on the exhaust pipe, I am going to film a couple review videos on our baseball cards. And one of my favorites, not a baseball card, it's a PlayStation 1 game, NCAA Football 1999, Charles Woodson. However, we are going to review several, if not all of them. Bill Belichick in a Expos manager hoodie. We'll talk about that, sandlot, and more. Back to the exhaust pipe, see you in about a week. DORs, we are back, and the pipe has been welded. You can see it on the workbench on the other side of the jet ski. Coming around the jet ski, and again to the workbench, there is the used pipe. However, fresh weld, as you see. And I also want to show you the inner portion of the pipe, or the inner side. And they did a good job. They did not paint it. What I will do is prime it and paint it with the proper temperature rated paint for exhaust pipes, or the temperatures that exhaust pipes get to. And down below in the comments and description section will be links to the primer paint and the paint. I will choose black. Or you can leave it bare, that's personal preference. I rotated the pipe and going inside to again that plug. As you can see, the technician grinded out the plug, replugged it, and welded it. Definitely the way to go. Taking a step back, I've rotated or shifted the exhaust pipe back to the side, which is the bottom portion of the exhaust pipe that again just got welded. And again, from here we will prime it and paint it, and here in a few days we will install this pipe back inside the jet ski hull to the lower pipe and exhaust brace or mount that's secured to the engine. And DIYers, since we are talking about the reinstallation of this upper pipe into the lower pipe, this is the mating point where the two pipes connect and are locked in place with that brace. And in between those two pipes is a sealing ring. And DIYers, do yourself a favor, do not reuse that sealing ring. It is used, it is old, and it is crimped. Purchase a brand new sealing ring. And whether or not it is convenient or helpful to you, we are going to post a link down below in the comments and description for our exact replacement part number and sealing ring. So again, I just wanted to talk about that. Do not reuse your sealing ring. In addition, down below in the comments and description will be that video link on reinstalling the upper exhaust pipe to the lower pipe and allowing the gasket maker to cure. And as far as the gasket maker, it is this stuff right here. We will have a link down below as well. And there it is, JB Weld. Again, good for certain scenarios. Gasket maker between the upper and lower pipe, great. Sealing a weld point on an exhaust pipe, not good. And one more close-up view. And again, prime and paint. That will look very nice. And real quick, there's what the sealing ring looks like. Again, don't reuse it.